guys can rid me of my troubles.
Oh, Cap-a-doodle-doo, first tell me what's going on here.
What do I say? A diamond gets stolen from my diamond polishing factory every single day. Every person coming in and going out is frisked, yet no diamond is ever found on any one of them. I just can't understand what's going on. Who is stealing those diamonds and how is it happening every day?
Hey, don't you worry, sir. I think I know who's stealing those diamonds of yours. I have a feeling you've got a secret tunnel in your factory. The thief steals the diamonds and then uses the tunnel. You see it often in the movies. Hey, did you guys just hear a strange sound? I'm quite sure the tunnel's around here. Ta-da! Now, who is that?
I am Popotlal, and this is my super smarty parrot. Your future we can tell, the truth we know so well.
He's a very smart man. He can predict everyone's future.
Wow, then the case is solved because he must know who the diamond thief is, right?
In fact, he was the one who warned me a few days ago that I ought to be very careful because something terrible was gonna happen at my factory. After that, I increased the security, but the thief still manages to get in and rob me.
Forgive me, Mr. Chintamani, but I don't believe in anyone predicting the future.
You will believe. I'm sure you will. I am Popotlal, and this is my super smarty parrot. Your future we can tell, the truth we know so well. Hey, pal, quickly tell me these people's names and occupations.
It's a Senior Inspector Bandukani Singh who has apprehended more than 100 criminals.
Oh, Cap-a-doodle-doo, oh my God, how did you know that?
Huh?
And your name starts with the letter B.
Hey, correct answer. My name is Balwant with a B. That's absolutely amazing.
Uncle, nothing amazing about that. He saw the letter B engraved on the pen inside your pocket and figured your name started with a B. And Miss Bandukini's name was written on her badge.
Okay, now it's time for my lunch. Hey, pal, quickly bring me my food.
Don't you carry your own lunch? Where's the parrot gonna get your lunch from?
Mr. Popotlal is very careful about eating homemade food, which is why his parrot flies to his home every day to fetch his food.
Hey, what's this? Takes just one apple to fill that big belly of yours?
Can't help it. Smarty Parrot can't lift anything very heavy. I was just kidding. Well, I'm actually on a diet.
Sir, another diamond got stolen today.
Oh, this is the last straw. What am I gonna do?
Oh, Cap-a-doodle-doo, look, nobody will leave this place. Bahadur, frisk every single one here.
Yes, everyone should get frisked, including Nephew and myself as well.
Okay. Miss Bandukini, no trace of the diamond.
Mr. Chintamani, looks like you've forgotten to frisk Mr. Popotlal.
What? Frisking is out of the question. How could he even think he's a thief? He'll steal diamonds. Mr. Popotlal, please don't mind what the kid just said. He's a kid. Please forgive him.
That's okay, Mr. Chintamani. No problem. The kid is absolutely right. I need to be frisked as well. Go on.
No, madam, nothing here.
You see, I told you. I told you there'd be nothing.
Uncle, have you realized that everyone going in and out of the factory gets frisked except for that parrot?
Oh, so you mean the parrot stole the diamonds?
Do you remember what Mr. Popatlal said? The parrot can't lift anything that's too heavy, which means the parrot can only lift so many diamonds at a time.
Hey, why didn't I think of that? But why would the parrot need diamonds?
Oh, Uncle, Mr. Popatlal is using the parrot for the robberies.
Oh, now I get it. Wow, nephew, that's amazing thinking.
Uncle, let's wait for lunchtime. Uncle, look, there's the parrot. Quick, let's follow and see where it goes. Oh no, where did that parrot go to? Uncle, we gotta get to Mr. Propatlal's house, quick!
Absolutely, nephew, my boy. No sign of the parrot here.
Something fishy going on here. The parrot flew off much before us but reached much after us, which means it stopped somewhere along the way. We need to head back towards Mr. Chintamani's factory and try and figure out where he must have stopped. This green feather belongs to the parrot, which means he flew past here. Oh, so the diamonds are hidden here. The parrot leaves the factory, comes here first to hide the diamonds, and then goes to Mr. Popatlal's house to get his food.
Oh, wow, nephew, wow. Your thinking power is just amazing. Whether man thief or parrot thief, a thief always leaves behind a clue. I will ask Miss Bandukini to arrest Mr. Popatlal right away.
No, Uncle. We need to catch him red-handed when he comes here to fetch the diamonds.
Where are the diamonds? Haven't I told you before? To hide them here when you bring them from the factory so that nobody doubts us? All those years of training gone to waste.
I hid the diamonds out here. Where are they?
There they are.
Oh, stop right there. Your game is over, mister.
I thought you were a respectable guy, but you were set out to ruin my future. Huh?
No one can escape from the hands of the law and Bandukini's kick. Hi-ya!
Hey, Miss Bandukini, the thief is getting away.
Run faster! Run faster! They are coming! I don't want to go to jail! I don't want to go to jail!
Hey, hold it there! You should at least pay me for my ice!
Here's some money. I like some ice too. I wanna go ice skating as well.
Enough of your ice skating. Now watch my smarty parrot use his beak to smash your ice into pieces.
Oh, cop-a-doodle Turtle-doo, what did you do? I won't let you go! Hold on!
Hey, Miss Bantukini, first talk about catching them, then letting them go.
Yes!
Get up! Run!
Wow, Nevi, my boy, the power of your metal hat none can match.
Enemies big and small it can catch. That's the power of my super hat.
Hey, mister, you love telling people their future, don't you? Well, allow me to tell you yours. You're going to jail, and you, Parrot, you're going to stay with good people so you could learn a few good things, all right?
Bad deeds yield bad results. What do you say, Uncle?
Yes, nephew!